Hey, you want to try something fun that's going to surprise everybody? Smoke some Cheetos. They are absolutely fabulous. A little bit of a smoke flavor. Add your seasonings to it as you'd like, and everybody will be impressed. Watch how we do it. Hey, we're going to get started with a quick little appetizer. Fun little snack that you can easily put together. What we're going to do is take some cheese puffs, so some Cheetos. I like the baked ones versus the fried, so I think they'll hold a little bit more smoke and also a little bit more of the seasoning. And we're going to add a couple of favorite seasonings to this. First thing that's most important is make sure that you don't have a seasoning that has a lot of salt in, because these usually have quite a bit of salt to begin with. This is a Tony Chachere's, some kind of a New Orleans seasoning. Can't really pronounce it, but that's okay. And then also is a Trader Joe's chili lime. I've really enjoyed this on snacks. Again, no extra salt to it, so that makes it pretty easy. What we're going to do is we put these just on some baking sheets, and I wanted to make sure that we weren't getting a lot of heat on here, so I've got my smoker set to its lowest setting, and then put these on some racks. So the first one is going to be this New Orleans seasoning. We're going to sprinkle that on here. You may want to use a little bit of like a cooking oil or something like a Pam, which might make it stick a little bit more. Obviously, if you've got a lot of wind going on, that would be a good idea. I don't know that I want to really have it any greasy or anything, just with the straight seasoning on there. This one we're going to use the chili lime on. Just want to be kind of careful, get it to kind of hold on to there. You can put it on fairly liberally. And again, we've got the smoker set to its lowest setting, so it's producing lots of great smoke for us. I'm just going to set those guys in there. And here, and I've got a top rack for this one. So we're just going to put them in there, let them absorb a little bit of smoke, probably give them about 15-20 minutes or so. Again, those are pretty porous, so I think we're going to get a lot of smoke just absorbed into those Cheetos. I've done Cheez-Its. I've got a different video for that. I think it's right there. Right there, yeah. So you can click on that at the end of this video and see what we did with the Cheez-Its. Let's give them a few minutes, and then we'll check in and give them a little bit of a taste test. Got just about 30 minutes on these, throwing off some nice smoke. And good thing is, they're not hot because I didn't run it at a high temperature. Again, we're just trying to get some smoke flavor on here. We didn't want to cook them because there's no need to do that. So we're just pulling these fellas off. Gonna go to a shutdown cycle on the smoker and give them a try. Got some good seasoning on there. Definitely got some good smoke on that. Seasoning is good. I think that's a winner. Give this one a try. That chili lime from Trader Joe's, that is really, really good. So in summary, I would say a few things here. I think that the smoke flavor was great and really permeated. I would recommend always using the baked versus the fried, because you've got more surface area in here, more opportunity for the smoke to be able to penetrate. And the second thing I would say is I'd probably use the Cheetos. These were the Annie's from Costco. They were natural. I think they were good, but they didn't have that deep cheese to them that Cheetos do. The other thing I want to try is Trader Joe's sells a white cheddar cheese puff. And I think that that white cheddar cheese puff would be really wonderful to be able to add in the smoke and the additional spices. We used a New Orleans flavor, and then we also used a chili lime that was from Trader Joe's. Again, a fan of Trader Joe's, and I think that worked out really well. So the taste was great. I think the smoke was good. We put them on for about a half hour, and I think that went really well. Much more beyond that, I think it's just going to be a little bit too much smoke. So give this a try. Hope you enjoy your smoked Cheetos. Hey, if you wouldn't mind, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications if you like the content that I'm providing for you here, and give me some comments. Other ideas. I've done Cheez-Its, the Cheetos here. I want to do some smoked Chex Mix, I think, in the future. Give me your ideas, give me your thoughts. Make sure that you figure out what you're going to cook in your backyard this weekend. And thanks for watching.